All right. Welcome to everybody over at Taylor Heating and AC. How you doing today? My name is Nathan Bruce. I'm going to show you 3 ways on how to increase traffic online. Okay, without further ado, topic number 1, we're going to talk about content. Okay, content is anything that is on your website, even what pictures are saved as. Okay, this is kind of my go-to explanation because, hey, that's my name, Nate. It's kind of my go-to because that's kind of the easiest that I can show you, because all the content combined together will get you eventually ranking further on Google's homepage, Google's first page of the search results. Okay, so that's good that you have it, Taylor Heating, Air Conditioning, and Plumbing. All right, that's exactly what we want to see because Google's going to see that you named it after your business. All the pictures should be named after your business because, again, it's going to give it more authenticity, and Google likes to see that. Okay, so on to the next thing is citations. All right, a citation is simply your business name, your address, and your phone number. Okay, so you guys have your Google Google My Business right here. All right, that's all set. I'm gonna go through it again later and just see if there's anything I would like to see changed at all. All right, so I searched for heating and AC, all right, in Rochester, as well as plumbers Rochester. So I wanted to see if I could see you guys anywhere in this area on this front page. All right, a couple things. Google guaranteed. I think that's worth the investment because people have ad blockers on their devices. So Google guaranteeds are always there, and it's definitely, again, worth the investment. All right, because more people are going to see it. This is the Google Map Pack right here. All right, I don't see your business in this map pack. We like to get our businesses, our clients, in that map pack. All right, because those, at the end of the day, are the businesses that get the most calls. Okay, so then we come down to the directories. A directory is simply a website that lets businesses put their information on there. All right, so we got Yelp, Angie's List. What else does it? Facebook, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, things like that. Those are directories. And then we get down to the organic listings. All right, Empire is the first one that shows up. And the third and last thing I'm going to cover today is backlinks. And backlinks have a lot to do with this organic section. All right, backlinks are pretty much another website pointing to your website, therefore bringing you more traffic. All right, I'm going to show you. I'm going to see if I can find you on this page. Taylor, okay, so you're showing up on this first page, but more towards the lower end. All right, so if we look at plumbers, again, the Google guaranteed, some ads, map pack, don't see you guys. We got Pride Plumbing. Where are you? I don't see you on the front page. All right. So that's something that we're going to have to get into. All right. So this website right here, this is Ahrefs. I pay for this monthly. This shows me all the numbers of any website, of any business. All right. And this website pays Google for these numbers. All right. So the URL rating is a 30 out of 100. That's what you guys have. Okay. That's how much trust that Google has in your business. And the domain rating is how much power that Google gives to your business. All right. You guys are sitting at a 14 out of 100. You guys have 175 referring domains, giving you 2.29 thousand backlinks at the moment. Historically, you've had 14,000, and these are the ones that are live. Okay. So seeing this, looking at this number, and looking at the domain rating number, the reason the domain rating number is so low is because you guys have bad backlinks. Okay, not all backlinks are created equal. So what we'll do is we'll look at what competitors are using, and we'll take those good backlinks and we'll make sure those ones work for you. Okay, there's no reason that they shouldn't. All right, you guys are bringing in 3.8 thousand traffic. Money, $1,000, I should say. $3.8 thousand a month through your website, and you're bringing in just under 500 people a month to your website. So organic keywords are huge. All right, that's one of my favorite things to kind of talk about because they're so powerful. Keywords are simply anything that someone looks on Google, okay? We want to look at the position here. We want to get you in the first position for all these keywords. And volume is monthly people who look up each keyword. All right, so you guys are ranking for a lot of national keywords here. All right, we want to see more Rochester, New York type keywords. All right, people could say water filtration companies near me. You guys are ranking second for that, so that's good. You guys are probably getting most of these customers, okay? When you look at these numbers monthly, it really shows you how powerful it could be if you're ranking in the first position. Sump pump installers, if you're ranking in the first position for that keyword, you're getting calls. You're getting most of these calls monthly. 11,000 extra customers a month. The amount of success that could do for a business is amazing. That could change lives right there. Okay, 11,000. That's crazy. 4,300. 3,700. Yeah, just think about it. It's kind of endless opportunities here. If we're ranking first position for all these, we could get all these customers. We could start hiring more people. We can outsource a lot of our work. Possibilities are endless. Any dreams that you have for your personal life or for the business, like, you could get it done. Ranking for the right keywords and doing all this search engine optimization correctly. Okay, it's very interesting to see. Empire Heating, all right, their website's okay. That's another thing. Like, I like to see 1,500 words on the front page of your website, the home page. These are their numbers. Okay, some of these numbers are lower than yours. All right, they have a 30 and an 8. I kind of want to see Rochester's private plumbing numbers real quick, because they have quite the numbers. So if this is yours, let's see yours real quick. Overview. You guys are sitting at, I totally forgot. If it'll load, that would be nice. A 30 and a 14. You guys are bringing in 3.8K. They're doing 7.2K, 37 and a 25. All right, so they're doing some things right, okay? They're doing a couple things right, but that doesn't mean they're doing a lot. I should say they're doing a couple things wrong too. All right, again, these backlinks are keeping this number very low. 25 is still low. All right, let's see their keywords. This will be the last thing I want to look at, and then that's all I have for you today. All right. Yeah, they're ranking Pride Plumbing first, obviously. But still, think about what these keywords could do for you as a business. Again, if you want to talk more about this, definitely let me know. All right. I'm just a call away. Okay. I'm just the guy that's showing you a couple tips. You're eventually the hero at the end of the day of your business. And I like to think of my business as my baby. I'm going to do whatever it takes to take care of it and keep it healthy, keep it growing. Okay. You should definitely look at your business the same way. All right. And if you're not looking to work together, by all means, take this, run off with this free information and do what you can with it. All right. That's what I'm here for. I'm kind of helping out these businesses like yours, bring in more of what do I want to say? Just more of an online presence. All right. Sky's the limit. Seriously, think about it. Think about giving me some feedback as well. I'd like to hear from you. All right. I appreciate